G'day, Brian Johnson back again. From the last video, as you saw, I showed you the opening balance on the 24th of the 8th was 50,000 and the closing balance is at 4,112.51 7 days later, approximately. You can see on here that the trading balance in drawdown is positive, so if we took off every trade, we would end up with another $400 on top of the profit. But we're letting our little grid system go, and why don't we take off the 551 as an example? When we have a buy in profit on the highest, on the lowest low buy, and a sell in the profit on the US dollar JPY. Simple reason. We want to leave on at all times the the sell at the highest high. Now notice this sell is in a loss and it's on a lower figure. We want to wait until that actual figure goes into profit. Then we'll take that profit off. We wouldn't take that off now because, simple fact, by taking that off now, your drawdown would go from a positive into a negative. Think about it. The moment I take that 548, of course the balance grows, but here it is anyway. It is higher anyway. So what I would do is I would wait until this figure went into profit, then we can take that profit off. So we're always keeping a nice, healthy equity balance. This is the way we control drawdown and use our drawdown as equity. So we would want to see that one go into profit. Later on, we'd hope that this silly one we put on would eventually become profit. But we're not too concerned as long as our closing balance in drawdown is a profit. We have made our profit already, 4,100. And if we closed everyone out, we would be another 500. So we'd be a clean slate on the thing. Why would we do that? We don't need to do this. This money is here waiting for us anyhow to move over into a balance. At the moment, it's keeping our attitude positive, and we're using these figures in here as helping us trade. You have to think about it for a moment. We're using these figures here in helping us decide a trade. So what is the highest profits at the moment? US dollar, buy, sell on the JPY, another sell on the US dollar. We want to see these losses start to go into profit and reintroduce trades, continuing trading. I've given you an example of small little trades showing you how you use the trend of the market browser as whether you go long or short in your buys after looking at your chart, looking at your 3MW as a line goes down and bounces up to change a trend, bounces up, change a trend. Once again, you're looking for your buy and sell volumes and your indicators in 3 time frames. Trading is simple. Printing money is easy. Managing drawdown is where a trader becomes successful. It's easy to make profit. The trick in trading is to make sure this figure here in drawdown is no greater than your opening balance of 5%. In this case, it's plus. We're growing our account. We're growing our sales slowly and surely and our equity. I think in reality, on a 50,000 account, 4,000 of dollars clear profit in 1 week is a good start of the day. Okay, keep practicing printing money and trading, managing your drawdown. This is just a means of how you can control your drawdown and print money at the same time. Bye for now from Brian. God bless. Have fun trading.